If you're new here, my name is Amanda, and today we are going to be doing a fall makeup tutorial. Today we're going to be trying out a lot of different brand new makeup. So before we move on with this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and also click that notification bell down there somewhere. Because I know that a lot of you guys can't even see my video when I post it. I don't know why YouTube changed it up on us, just like Instagram did. The struggle is real nowadays, guys. But before we really get started, I just want to announce a mini giveaway that I am having for you guys. One of you, a lucky winner, will be winning the Urban Decay Vice lipsticks, and there is 10 of them in here. All you gotta do is, of course, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also leave any comment down below, and I will select a random winner, I believe, in my next video. So yeah, good luck to all of you guys, and let's just roll right into the video. All right, guys, so let's just get started. Excuse my hair because I just got out of the shower and I'm just letting it air dry first before I style it. So for primer, we are going to be trying something new. This is from Huda Beauty, and they are the pre-makeup base. One is the Matte Perfection, which has a matte finish, and the Complexion Perfection, which has a dewy finish. First, I'm gonna take the matte one right here. I'm just gonna take a little bit, and this feels really lightweight. I'm gonna take that on my T-zone, just because I want to stay matte in those areas. Okay, so next up is the Complexion Perfection, and this one has the dewy finish, and I noticed that this one comes with a pump, about that much. This one feels heavier. It feels like a cream. I'm gonna put that all over the other areas basically. For foundation today, I'm going to be using my usual Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, and I am in 220 Natural Beige. First, we're going to start off with the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to take the color Burnt Orange, which is the second one right here. I'm going to take that onto the crease. Then I'm going to take a little bit of a Real Gar right here, which is a nice bright orange. I'm going to be taking that orange right below the burnt orange. Alright, next I'm going to be taking my Crown Pro palette, and I get this one from my BoxyCharm box. And I'm going to be taking this color right over here. I'm going to take that on the outer corner here, and taking Red Ochre. I'm gonna focus that on the outer corner right here, and just towards the bottom more, just to deepen up the look even more. Alright, so next I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I lightly cut the crease, and then I went back in with Red Ochre on the outer corner to just blend the two together. For the lid, I'm gonna be taking this Huda Beauty Smoky Obsession mini palette, and I'm gonna be taking this goldy bronzed color right here. I'm gonna be using a flat brush and just going in. Ooh, so pigmented. Wow, you guys, this shadow is very pigmented. Loving it. So now that the eyeliner is on, I'm going to be trying out a new mascara. This is the Wonder Beauty Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara. Let's see if I like this. I'm going to give this like a 3 out of 10. Not my fave. Okay, so now the lashes are on, we are going to move on to the rest of the face. I'm going to be using my Flower Beauty Concealer in Light. so once the concealer is all blended out, we are going to be using a setting powder. And today I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty, what is this called? Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. So I have two colors. One is in Banana Bread, which is in a yellowish tone. And the other one is Pound Cake, which is like a light or maybe even a translucent. So this is what Pound Cake looks like. I hope you guys can see that. Using the brush today, so I'm gonna try out Pound Cake first. So I'm just gonna dip it in there and then tap off. I honestly don't know how much to put. Oh wow, it's kind of giving me like a yellowish tint. My sponge for the other side to see which application I like better. The yellow tint that I was talking about is actually brightening up the under eyes, so I'm kind of loving it. I'm gonna take the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and this brush is the Zoeva 127 brush. I get asked all the time about this brush, and yes, it's amazing. Freaking love this brush. I've been using it for so long. Alright, and then for my second bronzer, I'm going to be using the True Match Super Blendable Powder by L'Oreal, and this is in color C8. I'm just going to put that right on the same spots basically. And this is just going to give me more dimension on my cheeks and everywhere. Just make it look nicer. So to contour the nose, I'm going to go back to the Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Just going to quickly contour the nose. All right, now moving on to our favorite part. I'm saying our because I know that this is your favorite part as well. I'm gonna take my I Love Sarahi X Dose of Colors collab. This is in Soulmate. This is my favorite highlight of all time, and I'm just gonna put a dot right here, just right there. Kind of a big dot because I like my highlight to be kind of everywhere. And then just a straight line down the center. And highlighting your nose like that will help accentuate the contour. And then for the face, I'm going to be using my Morphe M501 brush. Love this brush, been with me for years now. And I'm just going to go ahead and take that up there where I normally highlight. The glow is so freaking real, you guys. All right, so I'm gonna apply a little bit of blush today. I also got this blush from my Boxy Charm, and this is by the brand Note, and it is in Desert Rose number 5. Guys, I'm so freaking dumb. I was supposed to use the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, but my ass forgot. Ugh, really, Amanda? Like, wow. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna put it over top. I'm gonna be using this one right here, which is like a light goldeny shimmery highlight. I'm just gonna use that and pop it on top. Ooh, it looks nice. It looks like really wet and glassy on the skin, so I like that. But I promise next time I'm gonna use this alone, because again guys, I'm so freaking sorry, because I don't know why I didn't think about that. But anyways, moving on, we are going to be taking Real Gar, a little bit right here, a little bit of red ochre, just focus on the outer corner of the lower lash. For the inner corner, I'm just gonna take a mixture of this light gold and white. We are just gonna set the face. I'm gonna be using the Pixie Glow Mist. Love this stuff, by the way. I'm moving on to the lips. I'm gonna be using Huda Beauty again. I just got a bunch of Huda Beauty products, so that's why I'm using it here in my video. So I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty Lip Contour in Spice Girl. Is it Spice Girl or Spicy Girl? Spice Girl. And then for the lipstick, I'm also going to be using Spice Girl by Huda Beauty. Alright, so I feel like it's a little bit too dark, so I'm just going to be applying a lighter color in the middle and kind of spread it out. And so I'm just going to be using the Dose of Colors No Shade lipstick. It's like a super nude lipstick. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and do my hair and I will be right back.